Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize Nike Air Force 1 sock liners. This method also works perfect on any fabric shoe such as Vans. So what you're going to need is your Nike Air Forces, of course, or other fabric shoe that you're using, a heat gun, some type of container to hold your paint mixture in, a large flat brush, Angelus Soft, and the paint color you're going to be using. First, you're going to want to pour your Angelus Paint mixture and your Angelus Soft in a 1-to-1 ratio. Next, you're going to thoroughly mix it up. On the shoe, you're going to want to make sure that you have the tongue pulled all the way back, and then sometimes I also like to add tape like this so that the tongue can't come back down onto the shoe. Then you're going to apply your paint mixture to the sock liner, but be careful you don't drip any as the mixture can be pretty liquidy. Then you're going to paint the entire inner sock liner all the way down to the insole. Once the sock liner is fully painted, I like to leave it to sit for a while so the paint soaks in, and then I come back and look for any swatchy parts that need to be redone. Then you're going to take your heat gun to heat set the fabric for about 3 to 5 minutes, making sure to keep the heat gun a good distance away from the shoe, otherwise you could burn the fabric. And literally that's all there is to it. All of the Angelus products I use today can be found in the description with my discount code, and all the other products I use that are not Angelus, even the video equipment I use to film this, can be found in my Amazon shop, also in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my page, and also leave a comment letting me know what tutorial you'd like to see next.